If you've checked out the Kajabi pricing and thought it looked crazy expensive, then keep watching because I'm going to reveal some little known Kajabi pricing details that makes what Kajabi charges users even more insane. In this video, I'm going to reveal how much is Kajabi going to cost you in case you wondered about hidden fees. I'll even be sharing details that the Kajabi team doesn't seem to talk about. And before I forget, if you want to discover additional tips, tricks, and resources to enhance your results creating or expanding a business online, be sure to click the subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. I've been using the Kajabi platform since it was originally released in 2010, and I've watched it grow and develop over the years ever since. That said, I've also watched their pricing plans change as new features have been released. And as many people often say, the Kajabi plans are crazy, but probably not for the reason you're thinking. In fact, let's take a look at just 3 of the features included in the 2 most common Kajabi pricing plans, the Kajabi Basic Plan and Kajabi Growth Plan, so I can show you what I mean. For example, the cost of email marketing functionality for even the lowest Kajabi pricing plan, which allows for up to 10,000 contacts, compared to a popular email marketing company like ActiveCampaign. Kajabi's basic plan, which has much more than just email marketing, of course, requires an investment of $149 per month or $119 per month for the annual plan. Now compare that to another platform like ActiveCampaign for email marketing access for up to 10,000 contacts, and they charge $226 per month or $180 per month annually. Heck, even Klaviyo, which is another popular email marketing platform, they charge $150 per month for 10,000 contacts and a whopping $400 per month for unlimited emails to up to 25,000 contacts. That's double what Kajabi charges, and Kajabi comes with even more than just email. So if you plan to leverage the power of email marketing with your business, the investment in Kajabi, even if all you did was use email, would provide incredible savings just on its own. But then there's video. You may not have noticed, but there's absolutely no mention of the video hosting limits and excess costs on the Kajabi pricing plans. And that's because there are no excess costs. Every Kajabi pricing plan, yes, even the basic plan, comes with unlimited video hosting with no excess costs. And that's assuming you aren't providing a service as massive as Netflix or something. Here's the kicker though. Kajabi uses the premium video hosting company Wistia to manage the video content for Kajabi users. This includes access to advanced video analytics, a fully customizable video player, and much more. So let's take a rough look at the cost of such a feature if you wanted to manage the video content and analytical features yourself. Wistia would cost you $99 per month just for your business account, and then 25 cents per month for each video you upload. But for just $119 per month, you can access the basic Kajabi plan, which includes many of the same benefits of that $99 per month plan. And the Kajabi team never even talks about that. That is crazy. When it comes to Kajabi pricing, there is a lot of features I could cover. So I'm curious, which Kajabi feature would you like me to do a detailed review or demo video about in the future? Let me know in the comments below. Over a decade ago, I was building out HTML websites using a software called Dreamweaver. Later, I began to build sales and marketing websites with WordPress using various drag and drop site building themes and other fancy plugins. I say this because what you invest into using Kajabi is equally as important as what it helps you to save. Not just in terms of being able to build out websites and marketing funnels faster, but specifically saving you from the downtime caused by broken plugins, hacked websites, especially WordPress blogs due to plugin vulnerabilities, or trying to connect multiple different platforms like ActiveCampaign, Wistia, and WordPress together, etc. All it takes is one software update on any of these platforms to break the connection and sharing of data between all of them, which can take a long time to debug and fix. Kajabi ensures these problems don't happen to you, which means you can focus on growing your business and helping more people. Speaking of helping people, with the Kajabi Growth Plan, you get access to 24/7 live support. Imagine not having to pay hundreds of dollars to have someone fix technical problems that you're having, or being forced to wait days or even weeks for a response from the support team of a platform you're using. With Kajabi Support Portal, you always have help when you need it, and it happens with no additional cost. Speaking of time and money, not many people realize that Kajabi helps to save new and experienced online business builders tons of time and money by providing various pre-recorded and live training programs for free. This means you can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars thanks to having access to their Kajabi University as well as their weekly live training sessions. I could go on and on, but hopefully you can see now that when it comes to pricing with Kajabi, the value provided for the simplicity and peace of mind the platform provides is crazy. The real question you should be asking is, how much is Kajabi going to save you in terms of time, money, and reduced headaches by not having to make multiple platforms work together on your own? Now, if you would like to give Kajabi a try and want to extend the normal 14-day trial that they give users, you're in luck. Now, you can not only get access to a special extended free trial of Kajabi using my partner link at kajabipromo.com, but when you create your free trial account through kajabipromo.com, you'll also get access to my $997 Business Breakthrough Toolkit. Now, this includes premium programs for getting your business results with Kajabi in record time. It also includes a one-on-one Kajabi success strategy session with me to ensure you have absolutely no problems at all getting going. To learn more details about the special Kajabi bonus, just check the description below this video. And if you enjoyed this video and want me to create more like it in the future, be sure to hit that like button as well as that big red subscribe button. And be sure to check out some of my other videos for strategies and resources to grow your business online. I'll talk to you soon.